Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is circle the matching lowercase letter to the uppercase letter in each row. KG1 class, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. KG1 class, do you know what is the name of this letter? The name of this letter is A. This is the uppercase letter A. KG1 class, let's see where is the lowercase letter A. Here is the lowercase letter A. Now we will circle it like this. The next letter is B. This is the uppercase letter B. Let's see where is the lowercase letter B. Here is the lowercase letter B. Now we will circle it like this. The third letter is C. This is the uppercase letter C. KG1 class, do you know where is the lowercase letter C? Here is the lowercase letter C. Now students, we will circle it like this. The next letter is D. This is the uppercase letter D. Let's see where is the lowercase letter D. Here is the lowercase letter D. Now students, we will circle it like this.